Hi! In front of me is VIVO X90 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off app notifications on this VIVO. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down just a bit to access Notifications. Following that, tap on App Settings, choose Most Recent, and tap on the best filter for you, in my case, Most Frequent. Then click on the switcher next to one of your apps from which you want to block notifications, like Play Store. You can switch them back on the same way. If you want to, you can also just click on one of your apps on the left and manage all notifications from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!